you shifted to this fire?
I've got some exciting news to share with you.
Yeah?
Come over here.
Yeah, what's going on over here?
Well, you'll see our beautiful AU Falcon over here.
I was admiring it
You
earlier.
know that AU stands for gold in the periodic table?
Okay.
Yeah, anyway, just
I do
a
now.
random fact for you. Hey, you weren't here this time last year, but do you know what time it is?
It's almost 2 o'clock.
It is. And it's actually Play-Doh time.
Play-Doh time. What's Play-Doh time?
Well, every year around this time, Hawkesbury Police do a Play-Doh collection for Westmead Children's Hospital physiotherapy unit.
Oh, okay. So they use the Play-Doh for the kids with the physio.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Yeah, right,
So,
cool.
last year, we helped fill the boot of this Falcon with Play-Doh and we took it down to the police.
Wow, you filled the whole boot with Play-Doh.
Pretty much the whole boot.
Wow.
So thank you to everybody who did help last year. I think we had something like 600 to 700 tubs of Play-Doh in here. So it was an amazing effort from everybody who helped. Businesses, individuals, thank you so much. Well, we're going to do it again this year. What do you reckon, Aiden? We can fill another boot?
I reckon we can fill another boot. You know what?
Yeah.
We managed to fill one boot last year with all our good supporters and friends out there. Why don't we try filling 2 boots?
Are you putting out a 2 boot challenge?
I am putting out a 2 boot
A
challenge.
two boot challenge? Okay, alright. Well,
I just don't think 1 boot's big enough. What do you
look at
reckon?
the size of my boot.
Yeah. But then when you compare that to the size of this boot, now that's a challenge.
So basically we've got 2 Aussie V8s here,
Yeah.
essentially taxis,
Pretty much.
and we want to fill both boots with Play-Doh.
Yeah, why not?
I reckon we should do it.
I reckon.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, guys.
Okay.
Let's get in on this.
The challenge is out there. So we can't do this by ourselves.
We need help.
We need help. So the challenge is back to you out there, all the people who support us and the businesses that work alongside us. We need your help. People out there in the community, we need your help. We want to fill up these 2 boots full of Play-Doh for Hawkesbury Police to send to Westmead Children's Hospital.
I mean, what a good cause.
Awesome cause. Yeah, it's actually a cause pretty close to my heart. Family members go to that physio unit, so yeah, please, if you can help us, get in touch. You can drop Play-Doh off to Fusion Building and Maintenance at 20 Hobart St Richmond. You can give us a call on our office number. Just check out our Facebook page, Bumps.Car Mods and Mentoring, or Fusion Building and Maintenance, and you can get our contact details off there. If you're a local business in the Hawkesbury Penrith area and you can't get it out to us, let us know, and I'll send Aiden over
This guy.
in either the big red car or the big white car. So please, we're putting the challenge out there. Help us out.
Get on board with us, guys. We need your help with this one.
Yeah, I'm half tempted to call out some businesses.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't
Go
know.
for it.
I don't know if I will though. Penrith Auto Electrical.
Yeah.
Play-Doh, buddy.
Come on.
Come on,
You can
mate.
do it. You can do it. We believe in you.
And then when you give us Play-Doh, you can call someone out. All right, we're going to leave it there. Thank
Yeah.
you everybody for your support, and we look forward to 2 boots full of Play-Doh.
I look holding to 2 boots full of Play-Doh.
See you.